Hi friends, today I am going to explain about reflection of light at curved surfaces. Let's start the subject. This is called principal axis, this is the center of curvature, and this is focal point, this is focal length, and this is radius of curvature. From P to pole to center of curvature, it is radius of curvature, and pole to focal focal length, focal point, it is called focal length, and pole is also called as optic center. The midpoint of the mirror is called optic center or pole. The horizontal line shows in the figure, which passes through the center of curvature C and P pole, is called principal axis of the mirror. The distance between P and C is called radius of curvature of the mirror. Center of curvature. Center of mirror is called center of curvature. This is center of curvature, and the center of curvature is denoted as C. Radius of curvature. The distance between P and C is called radius of curvature. This pole, the distance between pole and center of curvature is called radius of curvature. Principal axis. The horizontal line which passes through the C and P is called principal axis. This is principal axis. The line which passes through P and C is called principal axis. Next, pole. The midpoint of the mirror is called pole, and pole is denoted as P. This is pole. Mirror, it is in the middle of the mirror. Focal point. The ray which will convergent and diverge at a point is called focal point, and focal point is denoted as F. This is called focal point. Focal length. The distance between P and F is called focal length. P and F. This pole and focal point, between this both the focal length will be there, and it is denoted as small f. Object distance. The distance between mirror and object is called object distance. This the object is near the center of curvature, and the ray is passing up to pole. This distance between these both is called object distance. Image distance. The distance between mirror and image is called image distance. Our distance is denoted as V. Image distance. You can see this diagram. This rays are passing through this. The object is beyond C. From this one ray is passing, and it touches the mirror and goes from the focal point, and one more it come down, and it will go through focal point and touch the mirror and again reflect back. These both rays will meet at a point. There the image will form. This is called image distance, and this is called image distance. Sorry, this here the image will form, and this is called as image distance, and it is denoted as V. Real image. Real image occurs where rays converge, and real image will caught on screen. Virtual image. Virtual image is an image found where the outgoing rays diverge, which will not caught on screen. It is called as virtual image. Thank you friends. Please like my channel and subscribe my channel and share it. Please see my video. You can get knowledge about 10th class first chapter. Okay friends, next video I'll tell about all ray diagrams of concave and convex, and thank you for watching this video.